This is the main Adobe Express page. In this Adobe Express video tutorial, we're going to create an Instagram Reel video. Select the video from the main tab and select the Instagram Reel option. By default, a 5-second long video time frame opens with the dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixel. When you hover over the beginning or the end of the video, the mouse cursor changes into the horizontal arrows. You can decrease and increase the duration of the video by sliding the cursor to the right or to the left. Make sure to activate the show layer timing so that you will be able to see the layers in the video. Let's start creating our video. From the Media tab, you can select a bunch of videos, photos or audio. When you go through the Videos tab, you will notice some small icons on some of the video thumbnails. These videos are available for premium users. The free ones do not have any icon on them. This also applies for photos as well. If you want to upload your own photo or video, simply click on the Upload from Device. Now go to Photos and let's search for Christmas background. I like this one. Click on it and it's instantly on our video. Now let's resize it so that it fills the background. I will shorten the duration of the video to 4 seconds. I want to add a Happy New Year text on the background image. Go to Text, add your text, type in Happy New Year, let's turn the text into dynamic and choose a font type we like. Change the font color into red. You see the layers here on the top right corner of the screen. Select the text and scroll down the left hand side of the screen until you see animation. Here you'll see 3 types of pre-installed animation templates. You can go through each of them one by one and see how they animate. I will go for Out and select Pop. You can adjust the duration and the intensity of the animation from these sliders. And if you want to cancel the animation, you have to hover over the animation button and the delete icon becomes visible. And if you click on it, you're going to erase the animation. Let's take a look at layering now. On the first layer we have our background image and on the second layer we have our text. You can change the duration of the text layer the same way, just like we did for the first layer. Hover over the beginning or the end of the blue layer tab and slide it to the exact time frame where you need it. We're done with this. You can download your video from the download button. Adobe Express is super easy to use and shortens the amount of time you spend for creating social media posts and videos and increases the productivity as well.